Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do the first tutorial. It's like how to do the shadows and stuff. So yeah, okay. First, when you want to go into Gacha Life or Gacha Club. Well, usually I'm using Gacha Kit. So you want to go into any app but not Gacha Life. Okay, just trust me. Okay. Ouch. Okay, so what you want to do now is like take a screenshot of your OC, of your any OC. Okay, this mod doesn't match, so I'm just gonna do this one. Okay. Okay, now what you wanna do is just get the sitting pose. Now go to studios. Okay, and then you wanna get a so you wanna get a clear background. Okay, then screenshot. Now get the pose you want. Get any pose you want. Okay, then you want to go to effects and there. You want to make your character a bit small, okay? And you want to get a green background. Want to get a green background, okay? Okay, so you now go to Canister or Alight Motion, whatever app you have. So yeah. Now okay. So you're gonna go to the screenshots, do this thingy, and I'll cover the white thingy. I mean I'll cover. Okay. Oh my god, what am I doing? Okay, so okay there. You wanna go to media, screenshots, and first you wanna crop everything. Not everything, but the half of it. Now Go to chroma key. And there you have it. You got your you got you got your shadow thingy. Yay! There you have it. Thanks guys for watching this video. Bye. Okay, now bye.